Happy weekend, bloggers. This is a little video blog here, recorded on Saturday. There's 3 weather features that we are talking about. There is an upper level low off the Pacific Northwest coast that could have an effect on our weather by Tuesday or Wednesday. And then there's an upper level low right now in Indiana and Ohio that's having an impact on our weather today with cloud issues. And then there's Hurricane Matthew. So let's first talk about Hurricane Matthew. As of Saturday morning, a Category 4 hurricane with 155-mile-per-hour winds closer to South America. And he's been moving west slowly. He started out as a tropical disturbance off the African coast a week ago. Now, Category 4 still drifting to the west as of 365 miles south of Port-au-Prince, Haiti. But he's about to turn north and start to head towards the United States. But before he gets to the United States, he could wreak some havoc in Jamaica and in Cuba, as late Sunday night into Monday morning as a Category 3, could be a little stronger, approaching Jamaica with Haiti on the eastern fringe of this storm. And then he's going to cross over Cuba and then head towards the Bahamas by the middle of next week, next Tuesday night or Wednesday. Because he's going over the islands, he's going to weaken to a 2, but gets back out in the Atlantic near the Bahamas, could start to strengthen rapidly, and the track from that point, very uncertain. Could turn west towards Florida, Carolinas, head towards New England, could stay offshore, which would be the greatest solution. We just don't know yet. We're just going to have to follow this as we get a little bit closer. So let's get to our weather. The second weather feature, the upper level low in Indiana and Ohio. It's been spinning there for days. Here in Kansas City, we've been well west of it. No clouds, no rain. But the clouds have spread back west, and so there are going to be locations today with more clouds, some with not as many clouds. And if you're in a location with more clouds, you'll be 65 to 70 for the high. If you're in a location without many clouds, you'll have 70 to 75 for a high. And so here is the latest PowerCast. Again, the cloud line near us, so this model may not be completely right either. There also may be a sprinkle from Maryville to Chillicothe, but no real significant rain. And as we go through Saturday night into Sunday morning, again, we're right near the cloud line, that western edge of the cloud line. So it's hard to predict exactly where the most sun will be. But in the morning on Sunday, everybody's starting in the 50s. And during the day Sunday, the clouds will start to lift more to the north. And so it's further to the north across Missouri where temperatures will be more in the 60s and near 70. Kansas City southwestward will be in the 70s. Then there's a big game right here on 41 Action News. Sunday night football in America. The Chiefs and the Steelers. The weather right now is looking great. 61 around kickoff, falling into the 50s. During the game, the chance of rain is near 0, so some great weather for that. That upper low to our east lifting out just in time for the game. And then, feature number 3, that's upper level low off the Pacific Northwest coast. Well, moving towards us with a chance of thunderstorms by Tuesday night or Wednesday. So we'll be talking more about that as we get closer to it. So for today, it's going to be around 70 here in Kansas City, but to the north and east with more clouds in the 60s, to the south and west, less clouds, temperatures will be in the 70s. Water fire is tonight. That's looking great with temperatures in the 60s, partly to mostly cloudy, no rain. And also out at the K as well for this afternoon and evening, the weather is looking good for that. 7-day forecast, 74 Sunday, 78 on Monday. That chance of rain Tuesday night and Wednesday. Have a great weekend.